How to fix Instagram backup problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here navigate to Instagram and then offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also go a step back to iPhone storage homepage, and here make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space for the apps to run smoothly, as apps require minimum of 1 to 2 GB free in order to run. And just in case if you do not have enough storage, then you can also go ahead and remove storage and clear app caches or offload apps. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the Instagram application. Also, swipe down from the top right of your screen and then make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as VPNs can interfere with Instagram. So disable VPN and make sure that battery saver mode or low power mode is not enabled too. So go ahead and in settings tap on battery, and here make sure low power mode is not enabled, and if it is enabled then disable it. And just in case if your issue is not fixed yet, then open settings again and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Here scroll down again and navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and further go ahead and make sure that the permissions for microphone, camera, contacts, etc. are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the permissions for all these features. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. Here tap on the remove app option and then on delete app. Delete the app and reinstall the app from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram auto backup problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.